I just got hired at Procter & Gamble. I'm very excited. My name is Christine. I'm part of the Nighthawks program funded by AMTEP. It was during COVID. I work at a college bookstore right now, so I wanted to take a change in direction in my life. I was always very hands-on and paid close attention to detail, so my friend suggested that this would be the right choice for me. So it was a little overwhelming to begin with. I didn't know any of the tools, any of the machines I was working on, but the teachers in the program from day one made me feel comfortable. If you don't get it right the first time, keep trying at it. At Procter & Gamble, when I first applied, I was thinking, I'm not done with the program yet. I don't have a lot of experience. They brought me in for an in-person interview. So I told them what I was learning in the class, what I knew so far. They called me about 3 weeks later and offered me the position.